In this video, you learn how to top up your Wise physical or virtual debit card. We'll be covering the different top-up methods such as Apple Pay, Google Wallet, debit card, credit card, or even from your bank account, and you'll see the fees that are associated with each deposit method. Now, with that said, let's get right into it. Now, it's important to know that how Wise Card works is that it uses any available balance within your multi-currency account. So let's say you only have the USD account, right? What you're going to do is select the USD account, and then you're going to select add. Where are you adding money from? An external account. Here, specify how much money you'd like to add to your card. In my case, I already have payment options. So to see the different payment options that are available to you, you can go ahead and select change. Let me scroll down a little bit. And then here, you can see the variety of payment methods that you can use to add money to your physical or virtual debit card. So if you select a debit card, for example, here, let's hide the keyboard. And on the previous screen, you would have seen the fees that are associated with each deposit method. So if you didn't remember, let's go ahead and select change again. And you see the various fees that are associated with each method. The wire transfer is the most expensive, and then a credit card. So it's best that you connect your bank account if you can. Then the next cheapest options are Apple Pay and a debit card. Here I'm just going to select debit card again, then select continue. Now because I already have cards added, it's showing them here as save card. In your case, you'll be seeing the option to just enter your card details. So if I select add new card, you'll have the option to enter your card details and then go ahead and select pay to top up your card. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.